Good morning, students. Let's start with the chapter number 5, that is decimal fraction. Last lecture we have seen some solved problem of division of decimal fraction. Now in this lecture we are going to take our practice set 17. Right? Now in practice set 17, your first question is carry out following divisions. Right? Now see, there are 4 problems. Out of that, second and fourth one I am going to solve. So second problem, 17.5 divided by 5. Right? Now see, here we have to first convert this decimal fraction into common fraction. So how to convert it? 175 upon 10 divided by 5 upon 1. Right? Now see, as per common fraction division method, we are going to convert this second part into reciprocal form of that fraction. Right? So 175 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Right? Now see, if you observe, this 175 is divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, remainder is 5 threes are 15, remainder is 2, 5 fives are 25. So your answer is 35 upon 10, and in decimal form answer will be 3.5, as there is only 1 0 on 1. Now take the next fourth example, 32.5 divided by 25. Right? Now see, convert it into common fraction, divided by 25 upon 1. Right? Now see, as per common fraction rule, 325 upon 10 multiply by 1 upon 25. Now here also, if you can see, this can divide each other. You can do division in our simple method on rough paper and you can write answer. Here 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25, remainder is 7. So it will be 75. In 25's table, 75 is coming on the place of 3. Right? So 13 upon 10, and your answer is 1.3. Right? Understand everyone? Now see, after this we have some word problem. Right? Word problem I am going to solve first one and third one. Second one and third one, that is your word problem first and second. Third problem along with your first and second is your today's homework and this question number 1 also. Now for this you have to open your page number 34 of textbook. I am reading this problem first and then we will solve it. Now see, a road is 4 km 800 meter long. If trees planted on both of its sides at intervals of 9.6 meter, how many trees were planted? Now see, if you can observe or if you can see, the interval of two trees is given in meter, right? And your total measurement is given in kilometer and meter. So you have to first convert that into meter completely. For that, 4 kilometer 800 meter, how we can convert it into completely meter form? 4000, because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Right here, since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Right? Understand? Plus this 800. Right? So your answer is 4800 meter. Understand? Now in this way your total distance converted into one measurement or one unit. Right? Now see what they ask us, how many trees were planted on both the sides. Now see, we will find out for one side and we make it double so that it will of both the side planted. For that, therefore, number of trees planted is equal to this 4800 divided by 9.6. Right? This divided by 9.6. Understand? Now see, as per our rule, 4800 upon 1 divided by 96 upon 1. Then reciprocal it, 4800 upon 1 multiply by 1 upon 96. Right? Now see, this 4896 can be divided by one table, that is 24 table. Right? In 24 table, on fourth place your 96 will come. Right? And 48 is on second place, so 2, right, and these 2 zeros. Again 4 can divide this 200. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, and 4 zeros are 0. Sorry. Here 10 is there. Now multiply this, 50 multiplied by 10. Right? Here, why 10 come here? Because 9.6 is there. Now 50 multiplied by 10, that is 500 trees. Now on both sides 500 plus 500, that is, therefore both side number of trees is equal to 500 plus 500, that is 1000 trees. Understand? Okay. In this way, our first sum is finished. Now take the second one. What is the second sum? Pradnya exercises regularly by circular path walking along a circular path on a field if she walks a distance of 3.825 km in 9 rounds of path, how much does she walk in one round? Right? Now see, in 9 rounds, distance cover walk is 3.825 km. Right? So, third one, in 9 rounds, how much distance she covered? 3.1825 km. Right? We have to find out for one round. Therefore, in one round, she walk is equal to this 3.825 divided by 9. Right? Now, let's start with our method. 3.825 upon 1000, because there is 3 digits and 9 upon 1. Now, reciprocate 3.825 upon 1000 multiply by 1 upon 9. Now, see, can 9 divide this? Let's see. 9 ones are 9. Right? 9 fours are 36. Remainder 2. 9 twos are 18. Remainder 4 and 9 fives are 45. Now see, 425 upon 1000, that is 0.425 kilometer she walk in one round. Understand? Now see, this is your homework along with the remaining sums. Right? Till then, take care and bye bye. If you have any doubt, then ask me in my personal.